Quincy fire and police unions denied standing by judge in City of Quincy statues dispute. As looked to likely be given a fair read of last week's litigation control conference, tied to the lawsuit filed to block Quincy Mayor Thomas P. Koch's formerly secret plans to affix 10-foot-tall statues of Roman Catholic patron saints to the exterior of the near $200 million impending new public safety headquarters, Team Koch has suffered an opening setback. The presiding judge has issued his ruling on an emergency motion filed by counsel for the fire and police union locals that he had taken under advisement last week. The judge's ruling denied the fire and police union's shared attorney's request to be allowed to participate as defense co-counsel in the lawsuit. The unions were found to have no basis for standing in the dispute. The judge also noted that Tehe Union's motion to intervene was not accompanied by a pleading setting forth the claim or defense for which intervention was sought as required. Clearly, the judge's ruling against co-equal status of the union's shared counsel surely went against the hopes and expectations of professed devout Roman Catholic and longtime Quincy Mayor Thomas Koch. The ruling also undercut Koch's somewhat recent statements published in the local weekly tabloid that he had lined up outside not taxpayer-funded legal counsel to defend himself and the city over what had until somewhat recently been his long-kept secret plans to affix taxpayer-funded statues of Roman Catholic patron saints onto a taxpayer-funded public building. In spite of readily arguable prohibitions against doing so per Massachusetts's first in the United States Constitution, state law, and applicable case law, outside of any extracurricular stunts pulled, the next important date in this ongoing dispute is a fast-approaching hearing on September 19th, when the judge will hear arguments to enjoin installation of the saintly statues until the lawsuit might ultimately be resolved. Needless to say, count on Quincy Quarry News to cover the upcoming court hearing, and as only the Quarry pointedly reports the news of Quincy.